I want to talk about this deli slicer that CukAid sent me to do a video on. This is it right out of the box. There's practically no assembly required. And you can see right there the unit. It's properly constructed. It's pretty strong. It's got these suction cups on the bottom, so it's going to hold in place while you're trying to slice food, veggies, meats, what have you. And the function is pretty easy. You can see right there's a slide to the food guide. Right on the back, that's how you control the thickness of the product that you're trying to cook or trying to slice. And right on top, you will see the power button. One button you can either pulse or press the button to leave it on. Like I said, operation is simple. I'm starting with some cucumbers here. I'm slicing them really thin. Gonna soak these in vinegar for my kids. They absolutely love cucumbers that way, so this is a great way to demonstrate and give them a tasty treat as well. Pretty easy. And next I moved on to potatoes. Sometimes I like to make potato chips at home, but it's tough to do with a knife, getting them all thin enough so they fry up nice in the oil. This is going to be a great way to help make them uniform and really nice in the fryer. And lastly, I've got a little piece of meat here that I'm going to slice. And what I did, I put this in the freezer for about 20 minutes, half an hour before I cooked it. That's an old butcher trick. If you're ever trying to slice raw meat, you're going to get a lot better results that way. You can see right here, I'm going pretty thin with the first couple, and they come out phenomenal. If you're a fan of carpaccio, this is going to be a great way to do it. Pick up a tenderloin, slice it really thin. You're going to get fantastic results with this. So who is this good for? Pretty much anyone, any sort of home cook, anyone who likes to make sandwiches at home. If you make your own corned beef, something like that, slice it up for sandwiches, you're going to get great results with it. As far as who else, I think this is going to be amazing for hunters and outdoorsmen. If you get a little bit of game meat and you want to make some jerky out of it, same thing. It's tough to get thin enough to make the jerky uniform. If you use this, you can get it all right around the same thickness and you're going to get fantastic results. And cleanup is easy. That blade is removable if you want to take it off. The slide is removable as well as the food carriage, and it's all very easy to clean. And here's the final results. You can see right there. Everything looks fantastic. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I think any home cook who uses this is going to wonder how they went so long without having one. If you'd like one for your kitchen, please click on the link in the description below.